The four people charged in the murder of a man from Omaha are headed for trial.
Court documents reveal Gary Liu was likely killed in the West Omaha home where the Thornleys live. His body found in a ditch northeast of Crete last month. A preliminary hearing was held this morning. The victim's son-in-law, Justin Thornley, and Justin's cousin, Jacob Thornley, are charged with second-degree murder and tampering with evidence.
And both remain in jail with no bond. Braden Bongers charged with first-degree assault, and the victim's daughter, Christina Thornley, charged with accessory to murder and tampering with evidence.
The trial